A reconsideration of the Supreme Court's decision, which declared the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte unconstitutional, is being sought in a resolution being routed among senators. Senator Kiko Pangilinan says he and 3 other senators have so far signed the draft resolution. The 3 others are Minority Leader Tito Soto and Senators Bam Aquino and Risa Ontiveros. Based on the 2-page draft resolution, it is the Senate's position that a reconsideration by the Supreme Court of its ruling would reconcile the constitutional provisions on the Supreme Court's power of judicial review, the House of Representatives' power to initiate impeachment complaints, and the Senate's power to try and decide impeachment cases. It adds that the resolution would ensure that all powers are given proper effect, consistent with the entrenched principle of constitutional construction, which states that one constitutional provision should not negate the other. The draft cites the opinion of former Supreme Court Associate Justice Adolfo S. Azcuna that while the 97-page decision of the court in Duterte's case may be legally correct, it strikes him as supposedly grossly unfair. This because it rules the articles of impeachment adopted by the House of Representatives as violating the only one complaint within 1-year rule by crafting a new definition of what constitutes being initiate and applying it to a complaint adopted in reliance on its previous and then prevailing definition. The draft resolution notes the impeachment case of then Chief Justice Hilario Davida Jr., where the High Tribunal defined initiating an impeachment complaint as putting it in the order of business and referring it to a proper committee. The draft points out that this was not done to the 3 earlier complaints filed against Duterte. The 3 impeachment complaints were filed in the House of Representatives by various groups on December 2, 4, and 19, 2024, while the 4th complaint was lodged through a resolution signed by more than 1/3 of House members on February 5. The 4th complaint was the one transmitted to the Senate for trial. The resolution also states that Justice Azcuna is respectfully urging the Supreme Court to issue a supplemental resolution and apply the doctrine of operative facts, which dictates that the actions taken and things done in reliance on a former and then prevailing definition should be treated as valid.